Hi all, it's Paul here, and today I'm going to be looking at another one of the Holy Stone series, the HS100. This is the red one. I don't know if that makes any difference, but we will see. So we'll unbox it and see what we've got. A carry bag. Okay. Blades. Underneath. There we go. So it's all there. I'll put it together and come back and we'll see what we've got. Okay, I've got it all put together and we're ready to go. All connected to the phone. All sitting there, ready to go. Props on. Nice clear picture. Nice calm day today too. So let's give it a go. Okay. Very clear, very steady, and I'm not touching anything, just holding steady. Very, very good. Bring it down. Right side of it, get the sun out of it. Very steady, brilliant. Okay, now let's bring it in a little bit closer, and I'm going to press the, here I've got the return to home button, so I just press that and let's see what happens. Not touching anything. It should land exactly where it took off from. See how accurate it is. They're not bad. Within a couple of feet. And take a couple of photos. Very good drone.